Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in today. Industry insiders are calling Holochain static hosting the AWS killer because it replaces massive server bills with a resilient global mesh. And for the first time, the cloud giants are actually feeling the heat of decentralization. In the world of decentralized tech, Holochain static hosting is a significant pivot. Historically, Holochain was built for complex, peer-to-peer back-end logic. But as of 2025 to 2026, the project has introduced a way to host standard static websites, HTML, CSS, JS, on its distributed network. What is Holochain static hosting, you may be asking? Traditionally, when you visit a website, your browser talks to a central server, like Amazon AWS or Google Cloud. Holochain static hosting changes the source, peer-to-peer delivery. Instead of a server farm, your website files are stored and served by a global network of holoports and individual computers, hosts. The DHT, distributed hash table, your website's data is stored in a DHT. When a user visits your URL, the network doesn't look for a server, it looks for the content hashes of your files. The web bridge. This is the magic part. Because regular browsers, Chrome, Safari, can't speak Holochain, a series of holo hosting nodes act as a bridge. They fetch the P2P data and serve it to the user as a standard HTTPS web page. Edge node support. As of late 2025/early 2026, Holo introduced Edge node software. This allows anyone with a standard computer, not just a holoport, to run an OCI-compliant container, Docker, and contribute to the static hosting pool. Immunity to deplatforming. Centralized hosts, AWS, GoDaddy, can shut down a site due to policy changes or political pressure. On Holochain, a site is hosted by hundreds of independent participants. There is no off switch controlled by a single corporation, making it a fortress for free speech and data sovereignty. Blockchains, like Ethereum, are notoriously expensive and slow for hosting data because every node has to agree on everything. Holochain uses a DHT, distributed hash table, similar to BitTorrent, where data is distributed and validated locally. This makes it faster, near instant loading times, and it does not require gas fees to view a page. Instead of paying a tech giant for hosting, a developer pays HoloFuel, a mutual credit currency, to everyday people who provide the storage. This creates a circular economy where users are paid for their hardware's idle time. Resilience and uptime. Static sites on Holochain are naturally redundant. If one host goes offline, the network automatically pulls the data from another. This provides high availability without the single point of failure risk inherent in centralized data centers. Static site hosting has recently been a top priority product for the Holo team. It serves as an entry point for the broader web community to transition away from big tech infrastructure and into the distributed web. I would like to thank you for tuning in today. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more Holochain news. Until next time, Lithium X.